Hi friends, welcome to Football Analyst. In this video, we are going to cover the match between Leicester City and Arsenal. That's the English Premier League. That's going to be played today, 28th February 2021. So guys, in this video, I'm going to present to you today's match prediction in as per Dream 11. I'm going to help you with a small suggestion on making your small league teams, grand league teams. I will be providing you with full player info and stats, team news and tactics also. So what you need to do, guys, is you need to listen to this video carefully and watch it till the end if you want to make out something from this video and apply it into your fantasy league teams and make a winning team. So you need to be absolutely attentive, guys, and if you like this video, please subscribe this and share this among your friends. I'm going to be posting more and more videos and giving you much better information which will help you make successful winning teams. So guys, let's take a look at the teams now. We have Leicester versus Arsenal. So first, let's see where's this going to be played. This is going to be played at the King Power Stadium. That's Leicester's home ground. Okay, so advantage Leicester. But due to the coronavirus pandemic that's going on, the home ground, away ground does not matter. Results are coming anyways. So it depends on how the team performs. Now guys, my final team would be posted on my Telegram channel. The link is in this video. You can search me also in Telegram at @Football Analyst. Okay, I will be posting the link in my description also. Now let's take a look at Leicester. Leicester is at number 3. Okay, they've played 25 games. They've won 15. They've drawn 4. They've lost 6. They've scored 44 goals and they've conceded 27. A goal difference of 17 plus 17, which is very good on a higher side. And they have 49 points. Comparing them to Arsenal, Arsenal are at 11th position, playing 25 games, same number of games. They've won 10, which is 5 less than Leicester. They've drawn 4, equal to Leicester. They've lost 11 games, 5 more games lost than Leicester. They've scored 31 goals and conceded 26 goals with a goal difference of plus 5, which is lower than Leicester, and they've collected 34 points. So advantage Leicester at the moment. Let's take a look at further options, what we have to make our teams even more better and which team has a probability of winning this match. Now, last 5 matches between these two teams. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the last 5 matches, what Leicester has played first. Leicester has played the last 5 matches. They've lost to Aston Villa. They've beaten Liverpool at home. They've drawn against Wolves. They've beaten Fulham away. They've lost to Leeds. So 2 wins, 2 losses, 1 draw from their last 5 matches. Arsenal's last 5 matches, they've lost to Manchester City. They've defeated Leeds. They've lost to Aston Villa. They've lost to Wolves. They've drawn to Manchester United. So 3 losses, 1 win, 1 draw. Again, stats present advantage Leicester City. Now comparing these two teams, how have they played at home and away? Let's see Leicester's last 5 home matches. They've beaten Liverpool. They've lost to Leeds. They've beaten Chelsea. They've beaten Southampton. They've drawn to Manchester United. So 3 wins, 1 loss, 1 draw. Ball is in Leicester's court at the moment. Arsenal's away matches, they've lost to Aston Villa. They've beaten Southampton. They've beaten West Brom. They've beaten Brighton. They've lost to Everton. 3 wins, 2 losses. So winning ratio away and home matches are equal. So a tough competition right at the moment now. Game is changing a little bit. So moving further down the line, let's take a look at Leicester's playing 11. Who can make this squad for today? Schmeichel in goal. We have a 3-man defend. Defenders, Amarte, Evans, Johnny Evans and Soyuncu. The four-man midfield with Castagne on the flank, NDD and Tielemans in the central of the midfield, and Pereira occupying the other flank. Albrighton, Jamie Vardy and Barnes will be playing in a three-man attacking role, wherein Vardy will be the central striker, Albrighton on the right flank and Barnes on the left flank. Now Barnes has an ability to cut from the left and come inside and take shots, so he is a very vital component for Leicester, and the absence of James Maddison would put onus on Harvey Barnes. Injuries and suspension. We have Dennis Praet out, Wesley Fofana, Morgan, Jose Perez and Justin all out of the game. James Maddison is doubtful, but mostly he will not be playing this game. No suspensions. So good news for Leicester, no suspension, but the only drawback is the absence of James Maddison. He is a very vital player for them, their most creative player. He can pull out a goal out of any moment. So the top goal scorers, we have Jamie Vardy with 12 goals, Harvey Barnes with 9, Maddison with 8 and Tielemans with 5. Top assist providers for Leicester, Jamie Vardy with 5, Maddison 5 and Barnes with 5. So see, you take a look at Barnes, a very vital component to them. So now let's take a look at Arsenal's playing 11. Arsenal would mostly go in for a 4-2-3-1 with Bernard Leno in goal, Cedric, Pablo Mari, Gabriel, Holding in defense. So that's a four-man, Gabriel or Holding, anyone would be occupying that spot, with Tierney in the defense. So that's a four-man defense. Thomas Partey and Xhaka would be the holding midfielders. It could be Dani Ceballos also, but I think Mikel Arteta would like to have a solid defending because Leicester are very good on the break. Pepe or Saka, so it's likely Pepe would be playing. Odegaard, Smith-Rowe would be playing, and Aubameyang and Lacazette. That's right wing would be occupied by Pepe, central attacking role by Smith, left wing by Aubameyang and the central striker Lacazette. Injury and suspension, good news for Arsenal. No injuries. Doubtful is Rob Holding. Late fitness test is waited. And no suspension. So a strong lineup to be expected from Arsenal. Goal scorers for Arsenal, Aubameyang with 8 goals, Lacazette with 8 goals, Saka with 5 and Pepe with 4. Top assist providers, Smith-Rowe with 4, Willian with 3, Lacazette 2, Xhaka 2, Bellerin 2. Now let's take a look at the head-to-head records, friends, between these two teams. They've played a total of 29 games between 2000 and date. Leicester have won only 5, whereas Arsenal have won 16. Draws have been 8. Advantage, Arsenal. Leicester's home record, last 15 games what they've played, Leicester have won only 4, Arsenal have won 5, draws have been 6. So a tough, it's just a difference of 1 game that Arsenal lead up. Important players for Leicester will be Vardy, James Barnes and Tielemans. Important players for Arsenal would be Aubameyang, Lacazette, Saka, Pepe. Pepe would be my focal point of view. A very talented player who could play on the wing and cut through. Very good at free kicks. Watch out for him. Captain, vice-captain choices, Jamie Vardy, Barnes, Aubameyang, Lacazette, Tielemans, Saka, Pepe. My punt would be Pepe for an Arsenal win. So let's take a look at the predictions, what we have. Your small league team and Grand League team. How do you make these teams now? Small league teams, you can go ahead with a scoreline of, you can go with a home win or a draw, but mostly I would say there should be goals from both the sides, so you can make a small league team with maximum of goal scorers and assist providers in your team. Okay, now for Grand League, guys, what you need to take a look into is, first you can make your team for a 1-1 draw, a home win 1-0, a home win 2-0, and away win 2-1, or a 0-0 draw. So make your teams in favor of a 0-0 draw or a 1-1 draw, a home win and an away win. So with this, guys, I present to you my selected 11. I'm gonna go with Kasper Schmeichel in goal, Ricardo Pereira, Johnny Evans, Tierney, Hector Bellerin, Harvey Barnes, NDD, Pepe. Now NDD I had to select because of credit issues. If you want Tielemans, you can make adjustment to your defensive line. Pick someone with 8 credits and move NDD out and get in Tielemans. Jamie Vardy, Alexander Lacazette and Aubameyang. Captain, vice captain, Jamie Vardy captain, vice captain Aubameyang. You can pick Lacazette, Pepe, Barnes as your alternate vice captain. You can switch your captainship between Jamie Vardy and Aubameyang also. So guys, I'll see you later after lineups in my Telegram channel. Till then, all the best and see you later.